Hi, I'm Marek Halamunda. I'm from Poznań. So as you can see, I love motorbikes, and I want to start new part of my motorbike life. Since now I used to be a rider in amateur adventure rallies, but also I finished this year Romaniacs Hard Enduro silver class. So I'm very proud. So this part, let's say, Hard Enduro, for me is somehow closed. And on this bike, I'm gonna to start rally races, as all riders across the world. The target is to finish Dakar, but we will see. Next season, I wanted to take a part in a Baja rallies in Poland, maybe some foreign rallies, but we'll see if I will have a fun, I believe. I choose Honda because it's Honda. I used to have the New Africa Twin. I won on the New Africa Twin one of amateur rallies in Poland, Enduro Rally, 4 years ago. It's by the way great Polish event. That's why Honda is red. Honda is fast. that's why Honda. I decided to purchase this model. This model is a red moto. So red moto changed a little bit with the standard CRF Honda, because the standard one doesn't have homologation. So this red moto is equipped with homologation, with bigger fuel tank, and with this bike, with this tower, I will be able to start in a Polish Baja Championship and other rallies. I decided to choose CarbonFox because, in my opinion, it's the best manufacturer in the world, carbon equipment. So still I decided to use analog roadbook. I know that new electronic devices are available on the market, but still I wanted to learn on this one. But using CarbonFox tower, there's no problem to switch from analog roadbook to electronic one. Now this bike is quite fresh for me, but I did some, I don't know. Let's check. It's maybe 15 hours I did it on it, so it's a totally different riding in comparison to Hard Enduro, so to the riding in a forest or in stones or rivers. More speed, different suspension, a little bit different position, but yeah. During the first test, the tower and all parts I've got from CarbonFox, it seems to be very stable regarding airflow and noise and everything. I am very satisfied of the results, because this model, what I know, it's the first Honda in Poland and the first Honda in CarbonFox. When we built together with CarbonFox team a new mounting part to equip this model with this carbon fiber. Thank you for watching this, and please keep fingers crossed for the first rallies, first starts, and see you on rallies.